Grady Trimble is in the middle of it. He's in Ottawa. Is anybody listening to the police order at this point?
Not that I've seen, Stu, but the police have started going up to the protesters and the truckers, handing out these flyers with some words on it in English on one side, French on the other side. It says, "You must leave the area now. Anyone blocking streets or assisting others in blocking streets are committing a criminal offense and you may be arrested. You must immediately cease further unlawful activity or you will face charges and or convictions related to unlawful activity associated with the demonstration may lead to denial in crossing the USA border." Been talking to Terry here. They came to you, right, and gave you one of these flyers?
Yes, that's correct.
And what are you going to do?
We as a people here in this convoy are standing strong. We're not moving. We've informed them if they want to take us to jail, that's going to be their alternative. But we're not moving. We've been peaceful. We've been demonstrating our rights and applying them in accordance to the law.
What do you think the optics would be if the police came in and started arresting people and removing trucks?
I think it'll be what we would refer to as a shooting of themselves in the foot, because the people are standing up for something that we believe in for the country, not just for individual ideology coming from trucking convoy, but with a desire of passion in our heart, which we deeply believe is the freedoms of this country that's democratic being taken away.
All right, thank you, Terry. So, Stu, they're not moving.
Yeah, that's it. You're right in the middle of it, and they're not moving.